Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here with a handy little draining and straining hack today for when you're making small batches of marijuana oil or other infusions. But before I get to that, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, there's a lot of times when we make small batches of infusions, for instance, in my DIY Topicals course, when we make wrinkle serums, those are tiny amounts, or the small batches of infusions that you can make in the Ardent Nova Decarboxylator. And if you don't know what I'm talking about in either of these instances, see the links below because there'll be more information there. In any event, when we're making these little batches of infusions or putting them into tiny jars like this one, like I would use for my wrinkle serum, it's handy to have one of these tiny little funnels. You can get these at Amazon and there'll be a link below. But I recently moved, and after moving, I could not find my little funnels anywhere, and I had just made a batch of cannabis-infused wrinkle serum that I needed to put in the jar, and I didn't have the little funnel, and what was I going to do? I came up with what I think is a brilliant hack. I went into my cake decorating kit, took out one of the icing tips, a large one, put it into the jar, poured in, put a little pipe screen in there to strain out any residue, poured my oil in, and we had an instant little funnel. So in case, like me, you can't find your little funnels or you don't have little funnels, but you still want to drain and strain into a little bottle or jar, use your cake decorating tips. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.